Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. You will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Gmail app and you will enter. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.